Yep.
Check this out. It's called a Skyrigger by Sea Ulcer. Just put it on me phantom. We're going to go fishing. All we got to do, put our line in here, clamp it up. I can fly it out, control for tuna, marlin, mackerel, whatever, or can get to where I want to go, yank on the rod, and she'll drop the bait out. So pretty cool for us now. We'll take this on our travels. There's been heaps of times where we've been cruising around and we can see fish that are just too far away to hit with a cast. Not anymore. I'll get the missus on the rod, fly this bad boy out there, and I'll get one of these young...
I'm excited.
Hey, I'll get one of the young kids onto the rod.
Oh, Dad,
It'll
can
be a
you
bloody
get my
blast.
son
Let's do it.
tuna? I want to see that
Yeah. So there we go. It's holding that up now, Garmin. Got the rod on free spool. I'm just going to take him out. How good's that? Yeah. I should just be able to pull there. And there we go. Got the bait in the water. Good beauty. How easy is that? Just need to fish now. That. So that's our first bait drop with the Skyrigger. Couldn't see any action out there, so we just dropped it out the back about 140 metres and then just put the reel on free spool. And look at that, little shark, eh? You never know what you're going to catch. So hopefully next time it's a mackerel or a tuna or a big tailor or something. But anyway, good bit of fun, eh? Could never cast that far with a beach rod.
Sharks are my favourite!